I'm going to give you a little experiment to run. Now, if you get punched in the face by doing this, it's not my fault. But if you do, you'll learn a very, very valuable lesson. Once you can learn this lesson, you're literally going to make millions of dollars. Here's what I want you to do. Pick somebody, anybody, somebody in the office, somebody in your family. I want you to say these words. You're wrong when you're talking to them. You're wrong. And just see what their response is. Now, you might want to duck because they might be swinging at you. Notice how when you tell somebody they're wrong, what their response is. They immediately get defensive. They immediately get argumentative. They immediately push back and they get negative. Why am I telling you this? I'm telling you this because in our career in sales, in our career in business, the untrained professional tells people they're wrong all the time. Our price isn't too expensive. You don't want that. You don't want this. It's not a big deal that we don't have a mobile app. It's the same as telling that person, hey, you're wrong. You're basically saying, come on, let's fight. Now you want to extinguish that same argument? Just simply tell them they're right. If you want to make millions of dollars in your career, learn to tell people they're right. Learn to agree with them. I hear you that we don't have a mobile app. You're right, the product's expensive. It's going to open the door for collaboration. It's going to open the door for communication. I'm not even saying you need to lower your price. Just admit that their feelings are valid and avoid ever being perceived that you said, hey, you're wrong, because it's looking for a fight. My name's Matt Easton. Consider giving me a follow for more tips on how to be successful in business and life.